Right, TikTok, are you ready? Let's go. This is your warm-up video, okay? So first we're gonna start with hip circles. Start from those knees, feet shoulder distance apart. I'm just gonna go side to side first. Push those hips from one side to the other. My knees are nice and soft. Chest up, shoulders down, long neck, smile. 4, 3, 2, and we're gonna go forward and back. Forward and back. Notice my body is going with my hips, yeah? So hips are forward, I go, my body goes back. When my hips are back, my body goes forward. Let's connect those dots. Side, forward, side, back. Imagine you're in the middle of a circle and you wanna scrape the edges of the circle with your hips. So like this, for example, here we go. And I like to imagine personally, I have pens on my hips pointing at the floor, and I'm doing a big circle around my feet on the floor. Okay, you ready for 4, for 3, for 2. We're gonna go into a shimmy. Bring your legs together, and we're gonna go into what's called a vibration shimmy. So the idea is you're trying to vibrate your body and your cells and your skin, and you want it to go. Now, when you're first getting started, your shimmy usually isn't as good as after you've been shimmying for a while, and then it starts to release and relax, and everything starts to go. Okay, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're gonna go to a figure of 8. Twist the hip first. My feet again are now shoulder distance apart. My chest is up, my shoulders are down, my neck is long. Try to get your chest forward as you twist those hips. 1, 2, 1, 2. And we're gonna go. Twist, push to the front corner, take it around the back, hip hits the back corner. Front hip hits the front corner, front hip hits the back corner. Then go round. So front corner, back corner. Front corner, back corner. Make a figure of 8. The same idea, pens on your hips, pointing at the floor. You're drawing a figure of 8 around your feet. Around your feet. You got 4, 3, 2. Let's go back into our vibration shimmy. Shimmy those legs. This is our warm-up video, so you can do this video first on its own, or you can do before all the other videos that are in the series as your warm-up. And then the more relaxed you get, the more your shimmy will shimmy, okay? 4, 3, 2, we're gonna go into a choo-choo shimmy. What does that mean? Plie, bend the knees, releve, come onto tiptoe. Pitter-patter your feet, no stamping please. Keep the knees nice and bent, and then every step has a hip. Every step has a hip. So what does that mean? It means if I step on my right foot, my right hip goes up. If I step on my left foot, my left hip goes up. And so the faster you step is as fast as you shimmy. Okay? So it's not because you're trying to shake your bum. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on, come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, relax. Undulations, classical position. So the legs sink, forward, up, back, roll down. Forward, up, back, roll down. Chest goes forward, goes upwards. Go back, roll it down. Make sure your knees are bent. And you're gonna roll. Shakira, Shakira. Shakira, Shakira. Let's go. Shakira. Let's go. 3, 2, choo-choo shimmy. Choo, 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 choo. No stamping. Keep your feet together. You're on tiptoe. Make your booty shake. Your booty shake. From the beginning. Let's go. Hip circle 1. Hands in your head. 2, 3, 4. Legs together. Vibration shimmy. 1, 2. Try to relax the body. 3, 2, 1. Figure of 8. We go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Shimmy. 1, 2. Arms optional. Come onto tiptoes. Reach by the feet. Shimmy. Choo, 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 choo. Notice my chest is nice and still. Don't let your chest go. Don't let it all go. Undulation. One time. Shakira, Shakira. 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 Choo, choo, shimmy. 4, 3, 2. Okay, let's go for 10 seconds. 10, 9. This is your last 5 seconds. 8, breathe. 7, leg. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh my God, enough. Warm up. Done.